Hello, do home-based gout remedies actually work? What do you think of when you hear someone talking about a home remedy they've used to treat an illness? Does it perk up your ears, or just make you suspicious and skeptical? Remedies have been used by people for thousands of years with varying degrees of success. Some are based on folklore, while others continue the trend of following what works through trial and experimentation passed down the generational line. In modern times, the gap between remedies and prescription medications is not so clear-cut. Scientists can and do research simple home remedies for various ailments, in order to test their effectiveness against more expensive medical options. This isn't a perfect science though. Because most research money is devoted into areas where the funds can quickly be made back, there tends to be a larger body of research around costly prescription medications than simple remedies. As for gout, we know it to be an imbalance illness. No one is born with gout, and it simply crops up when a process in the body stops working as efficiently as it had been. This is about the perfect type of ailment for proven natural remedies to work their magic. Did you know that in Okinawa, gout has been treated for centuries without any synthetic drugs or medications? It's true. The way they deal with gout is simply by providing the right triggers and substances to help the body restart dealing with uric acid as it had been doing perfectly before, simply by ceasing to do things that further bring imbalance in your body. Warning: some of these are recommended by doctors. Consuming particular nutrients in specific quantities, and doing a couple of weird but effective movements, gout can be eradicated quickly, permanently, and most importantly, safely. Wouldn't you rather stop pumping harmful and expensive drugs into your body, and instead just provide it with the right conditions for it to start working effectively again? All-natural Okinawan system that eradicates gout. The Gout Code extensively goes over the nature-based solution that achieves just this. You'll be able to say goodbye to gout, and feel better than ever before, in just 7 days or less. To learn more about the Gout Code and how it works, check the link in the presentation.